guys, it's Miss Sherry Rose here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back with another hair review on, yes, these passion twists that I have in my hair. So this company was kind enough to send me 3 packs of their passion twist hair in color 1B. And it's by this company here. They sent me a whole lot of goodies. These are not the goodies that came in the bags, but I just reused this bag. So that's a good plus. I like that the hair had a net on it like that. And it came, I got 3 packs like this of their spring twist hair. Spring twist, passion twist, they kind of all look the same. I've had them in, they're kind of not as fresh, but I had them in for about a good week, going on 2 weeks now. So, you know, they could use some mousse on them and a little bit more shine. So, and they did send me some of these those things. They sent me a little mirror that came in this pack, which my girls has already gotten hold to. It did come with a cord. It came with the crochet needle and some of those clips that I did use. So I used all 3 packs, and this is what I have left. So the hair is like this, and you have to pull it apart. So I want to say it was like 20 something strands on there. It came in like a bundle tied together like this, but of course it was more hair. So I had 3 packs of that with 20 strands on it. I believe it was 20 strands. This company is called Belief Hair. It's an Amazon company. Yes, this hair was great to work with. You know, I really didn't have any problems with this hair. So, and this, I did individuals all over my head. I didn't crochet any in. This was the hair that you do the individuals with anyway. So, yeah. This is my first time doing my whole head. But, first time for everything. But I did do my perimeter the first time crochet. Y'all saw in the my last video. So I mean, I'm not a guru or expert on this channel. We all blossom together, right? Yeah. But color 1B, I started the first day I started, I believe I started around like I want to say like 4 o'clock that afternoon, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I stopped at 9 o'clock. And then the next day I started at like 6 or 7 that morning, and I was through by 3 or 3:30. Yeah, I mean, my hair is thick, and the size that I have them in, I braided it. I didn't really part straight, as you can see. I braided it a little and then began to twist. Yeah, some of my hair is peeking through. Like I said, it's time for me to, you know, mousse it again. Yeah, that one's coming out. But, I mean, overall, ooh. Yeah, y'all, don't judge. See, I braided it, and it went back smooth in there. So, but yeah, this is, like I said, this is my first time doing all over my head. So I think I did a good job. I think I did a really good job. So, but yeah, how they looking. And when I tell y'all, these are light and My head is not weighed down. You know, they just feel so, they're bouncy and springy, just like the hair says, spring twist. And they are, this was a, um, I had no money with this hair. I'm thinking the price, when I saw it was like, I want to say at 30 or under 30. So it's not a bad price. And I will leave the link down to this hair in the description box. But yeah, it's pretty long. So you can just, it, shrivels up. But when you stretch it out, it is long. So I don't remember, let me see what kind of inches this was. I don't know, I want to say 18, but it shrivels up, y'all. So, like I said, it's pretty long. Yeah, it's pretty long. So, but yeah, I just want to come on and show you guys this lovely hair by this company. Shout out to this company. I love this hair and I will do business with them again. I'm not an expert on this hair, but I tried. So thank you guys for rocking with Cherry Rose, and I will see you in my next video.